Alright guys, so we're opening up the Corsair Void Elite stereo headphones, and these are a pretty high quality headphone in my opinion for the price. So let's get to the unboxing. Oh, that's cool. Needs to be cut.
Yep.
Oh, that's a cool box, huh? Good presentation on the packaging.
I like.
Just instructions, I think, warranty.
What is
This is one of those converters that goes from the 3-ring to the headphone and speaker jack. Broke out because look, it has 3 rings on it. You can pull it off of this though if you can. Get untwist these. It's just some plastic there. Some wrapped plastic around certain areas to protect it. I think you'll have to cut that off, it looks like.
No, you don't.
Oh, you just rip it? Okay, and then what about these side pieces? And then your headphone, excuse me, your microphone. Microphone's kind of flexy. It's like a little rubbery. It's got some protective layers on this side of the headset.
Whoa, it's shiny.
Yep. Very shiny. It's mirror-like. You can see us in it. Can you get that off?
No.
This right here? You got the other side off, didn't you? Nice work. So these spin like you would expect. Pretty large pads for the ears. It's not super heavy, but it's not that light either. These are the extensions. The board is, looks like it's fixed, I think. Yep, and it's got a little volume control. I don't know if that's for the audio or the microphone, I'm not sure. Well, it's got a little mute button on the side. And it's actually a physical toggle switch versus a digital toggle switch. Oh, is that for the, that's a pop filter for the microphone. Put it over right here. Yeah, you have to shove it on there. Kind of like a sock. There you go. All right, very cool. Put it on top of the box.